Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today's episode is called Silicone versus a lot of silicone. In this side, I just put 1 drop of silicone in my white and 1 drop in my blue. I'm using the Spot On Treadmill silicone. So there's just 2 drops over here. On this side, I put 3 drops into each color. So this cup in total will have 2 drops of silicone, and this cup in total will have 12 drops of silicone. So should see a big difference. We're going to go ahead and do this one first. And I've put equal amounts of paint in the cups here. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pour them in the same order. And of course there's no way for me to pour them literally identical, so I'm not even going to worry about it. I'm just going to kind of go for it. And the rest of the blue. I'm putting about 5 ounces in each cup here. These are 8 by 10 canvases. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and flip cup this. And then while I'm doing that, while that's kind of settling, I'll go ahead and start on this one. So same order. I'm going to put half of this white, half of the blue, and then this turquoisey color, and then the purple. And I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a bunch of construction and stuff going on today. All right, white, and then blue. Okay, so go ahead and tilt this. Good. All right, now we'll go ahead and do this one. Now this is my favorite part, where you lift the cup up and all the cells pop out. So here we go. And there will definitely be some, because there is some silicone in here, just not a lot. So we can definitely see the cells popping up. And so far this seems to be a very pretty color combination. Go ahead and tilt. I'm just hoping I didn't put too much white in here. It doesn't look like it. Really pretty. Oh, I love that purple. And these colors are Artist Loft Flow acrylics, except for the purple, which is the Decoart fluid acrylics. And it is the dioxazine purple. They're all mixed with Floetrol and water. Okay, so that's with just a little bit of silicone. Let's go ahead and do this one. Lots of silicone. Woo, look at that. So beautiful. Lots of fun. Now here's, obviously I'm getting lots of cells here. Here's a couple risks of using so much silicone though. One is, actually pretty much the main risk is your paint not actually sticking to your canvas. So getting like pitting, and on the sides it pulling away from the canvas. So I was trying to do the 2 extremes here. Something in between would probably be best. So maybe not 2 drops, but maybe not 12 drops. Maybe like, you know, 4 or 5 drops would probably be ideal for this amount of paint in canvas size. There's no like hard rules on the silicone, and I very rarely use silicone, so because you can get cells without it. But these are 2 different effects of silicone. So you see the little bit of cells, but more nice, clear defined, and this one's kind of like explosion. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and let these sit here for a bit. I think I will go ahead and time lapse for just a minute and see if anything else develops, and then we'll come back and do a close-up. All right, so we're back. We're going to do our close-up here, a little bit more developed, but here we go. All right, so we're gonna start with the lots of silicone side. So obviously just tons and tons of crazy cells. Tons and tons and tons and tons. And I'm going to show you one of the reasons why I don't use silicone. See the side here, how it's just pulling away there? So that's one of the things that happens because of silicone. You can see the paint doesn't pull away necessarily. It's the drops of silicone there. And same thing on even this one with the little bit of silicone. And that can also cause the pitting on your canvas where the cells are. But anyways, so this is the little bit of silicone side. I actually really like this one. I think it's a lot of fun. This is like here's an avocado cell. Official name. Just kidding. I don't know. Made it up. Maybe it's a lemon cell. Really fun. And I think that these two go together really well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment and could see the different effects that you can get with silicone depending upon how much you use. And then, yeah, I will see you guys next time.